I have tried almost everything in the college: video editing, graphic designing, internship, app development, website development, content writing, teaching, freelancing with the international clients, and I did also the trading in the second year of college, in which I lost a lot of money. So after tried these all of the things, I'm telling you from my 5 years of experience that there are the few skills in which you can actually make money. So if you are a college student and want to make money in 2026 from the side hustle, then this is the right video for all of you, because in this video we are going to talk about each and every skill in the detail जिससे आप पैसा earn कर सकते हो in the 2026. So let's talk about the first thing, that is the trading. अगर मैं trading की बात करूँ तो I would say it is the one of the riskiest way to make money. I started doing the trading in the second year of the college and almost 10,000 rupees I lost. I started making the money initially around 4,000 rupees. Then I felt like I should invest more and I should start with the more money. So what happened, I invested 10,000 rupees and I lost all of the money. So that is why I feel like trading is one of the most riskiest way for the student if they want to start. So start with something that you can get the return out of it. Okay, you would get the return from the trading, but not in the long term. So you have to be master in it. So initially if you are beginner, then I would say don't go for the trading. It is not the good for the students because they have the very limited pocket money. I also had the pocket money, so I wasted in the trading. So I figured it out like what else I could do. So I would not suggest if you want to trade. If you are a skilled person, then you are good to go. Now let's talk about the second skill, that is the social media management. ये जो field है वो coming years में it is growing with the good rate because creators are increasing and even the companies are making the social media handles in the different accounts like LinkedIn, आप Twitter की बात कर लो या फिर आप YouTube की बात कर लो या Instagram की बात कर लो. Everybody wants the organic reach, and one of the toughest thing in this is managing these all the accounts. Even I create the content on the different social media platform, and मेरे लिए ये tough हो जाता है कि different platform पर क्या क्या content जाना चाहिए. So this is the one of the most important field you can say and growing field in the future. So you can start making the money in this field by doing the side hustle and offer other people कि मैं आपके accounts को handle कर सकता हूँ and I can help you to make the content and content strategy. Now the third skill is the graphic designing. Graphic designing में आप LinkedIn post, Instagram post, एडवर्टाइजिंग बैनर, कैंपेन पोस्ट हो गया, यूट्यूब थंबनेल हो गया, ये सारी चीज़ें ऑफर कर सकते हो वट एवर यू लाइक टू डू, क्योंकि ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग इज़ अ ब्रॉड टर्म. प्रोफेशनली अगर आपको ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग करनी है दैन यू कैन गो फॉर द फोटोशॉप आप सीख सकते हो. अगर इफ़ यू आर अ बिगनर एंड आपको क्या है छोटी डिज़ाइन सीखना है, मतलब कि आपको ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स ना लगाने पड़े, देन यू कैन गो फॉर द कैनवा एंड पीपल आर मेकिंग टन ऑफ मनी फ्रॉम इट. एंड इफ़ यू डोंट बिलीव मी, यू कैन गो फॉर द फाइवर. आप गिग्स देख सकते हो कि कितने डॉलर्स की गिग्स हैं. पीपल आर मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी बाय डूइंग द साइड हसल. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग हियर कि आप बिगनर से स्टार्ट करो, राइट. इफ़ यू आर अ बिगनर you can start with the Canva and start offering the post for the others, start offering the design to the others like me. Creators को design offer करो कि इस टाइप का thumbnail मैं बना सकता हूँ, तो can I make for you. You can cost initially less money, but once you become professional, once you become starting making the money and build your portfolio, and then you can make a lot of money by doing the side hustle in this field. Now the next skill is the content writing. अगर मैं content writing की बात करूँ then it is the broad term. इसके अंदर सब निशेस हैं, like you can say कि आप ब्लॉग राइटिंग कर सकते हो, आर्टिकल राइटिंग कर सकते हो, आप इंस्टाग्राम के लिए पोस्ट राइटिंग कर सकते हो, राइट. आप स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग कर सकते हो यूट्यूब के लिए. सो देयर आर टन्स ऑफ द थिंग इनसाइड इट. व्हाटएवर यू लाइक टू डू you can choose, you can pick that. If you are interested in writing especially, then content writing is for you. Basically skill जो required रहती है that is the creative writing. आप किस तरीके से content को हुकी बना सकते हो, इंगेजिंग बना सकते हो. सो दैट इज़ द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग यू हैव टू लर्न इनसाइड इट. एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट द कंटेंट राइटिंग एज अ बिगिनर एज वेल. यू डोंट नीड टू बी अ वेरी प्रोफेशनल. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी इंटरेस्ट है राइटिंग में, देन यू कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग द साइड हसल. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फिफ्थ डिमांडिंग फील्ड, दैट इज द वीडियो एडिटिंग. वीडियो एडिटर्स डिमांड इज इंक्रीजिंग continuously in upcoming years because content creators are increasing and content economy is increasing. That is why if if you are a video editor, you can make a lot of money as a student by doing the side hustle. And video editing करने के लिए कुछ tools आपको सीखने पड़ेंगे, like Premiere Pro, DaVinci, Filmora, Final Cut. So these are some tools in which you can choose anyone to learn and start video editing. But for the beginners, I would suggest one thing, like if you want to do the video editing, don't go for initially the long form content. Long form content को edit करने पर मत जाओ. Start with the short form content and reels को edit करना सीखो, and then you can start making money fast. Now the next skill is the content creation. Everybody is making the content. Why they are making? Because it has the money. It's obvious. So I can tell you, like in the future, in upcoming years, as it is predicted by the research as well, that content creators are increasing and the content economy is also increasing. So if you have the passion in it, if you like to speak in the front of the camera, you can make the content and you can make your space in the content creation. And there is no doubt that it has the money. So if you are a beginner and want to start a content creation, and if you think that content creation is one of the toughest thing, you can't do that, you need the gadgets. So I just want to tell you that you can start a camera of your phone and start speaking. So this is what you required. You don't need a fancy camera, fancy light and these all of the things, because I also started with the same thing. Now the next skill is the app development and the website development. In today's world, every business required first website and then the application. So you can provide the services to those peoples after learning the app development, the web development. आप freelancing भी कर सकते हो इसमें. And the second way to make money inside this is to make your own application and upload on the Play Store. Then you can earn money through the ads as well. And also in the website development, you can host the website and then write the blogs, article and make it popular and bring the traffic. So that is how you can make the money through the ads as well. Now the next and the last skill is the UI UX designing. App development और वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट से पहले एक फेज रहता है UI UX डिज़ाइनिंग का, मतलब उसमें इंटरफेस क्रिएट किया जाता है कि हाउ द वेबसाइट एंड ऐप वुड लुक लाइक, जिससे यूज़र एक्सपीरियंस कैसा होगा. तो यू कैन डू द UI UX डिज़ाइनिंग एंड यू कैन डू द फ्रीलांसिंग इन दैट. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न इट, इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर, द व्हाट टूल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू लर्न इट, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. फर्स्ट you can learn the Figma and then Adobe XD. Figma is completely free of cost, so you can start with that, and once you become a professional you can go for the Adobe XD. So if you're a beginner, you can start with the Figma. So these all the skills that I have shared with all of you today, you can start learning and start making money as a student by doing the side hustle. So have a nice day. If you have any doubt, leave the comment in the comment section. I will try to reply all of you.